United 777-300ER's sudden nosedive over San Francisco Bay. EasyJet, a 320, fights fierce storm. Dara winds before landing. A Polish Air Force Su-22 pilot deploys the drag chute too soon, resulting in a rough landing. An American Airlines Boeing 777-300 brakes hard on rollout, with smoke rising from its wheels.
Smoking hot brakes there. He was... Nick, thank you very much. Sushi, good morning to you. Richard, Richard Cullen saying the A38. Look at the brakes, guys. Look at how hot the brakes are on that American triple. Incredible stuff.
Passenger films. Southwest 737-700 on parallel approach. Fly Pro 747-200 pilot pulls off dramatic wheelie on landing. Skilled Transavia. Pilot greases an Airbus A321 Neo landing at Amsterdam runway 18R.
50, 40, 30, 20. Retard, retard, retard.
Spoilers. Reverse screen.